The Microsoft Your Phone app offers a smart new way to access your Galaxy phone without even picking it up. Once your phone is linked to your Windows PC, you can make calls, send texts, transfer photos, and access all your mobile apps. Keep watching to learn how to get set up and take advantage of all the features of the Microsoft Your Phone app, which is natively integrated as linked to Windows on the latest Samsung smartphones. To get started, search for the Your Phone app, which comes pre-installed on the latest Windows 10 PCs. Or, if your PC is running an earlier version of Windows, download the Your Phone app from the Microsoft Store. Open the Your Phone app. Now choose Android as your mobile OS. You'll now be presented with a QR code to scan on your phone. Now let's get your phone app activated on your smartphone. The app is natively integrated on the latest Galaxy devices, so you just need to swipe down to access your quick panel and tap Link to Windows. If you don't have Link to Windows, you can download Your Phone Companion from Google Play. Toggle Link to Windows on, then tap Add Computer. Now, click Link your phone and PC and continue. You can now scan the QR code with your phone, or you can choose to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This will link your devices. Now, click through the prompts to allow the connection. Now that you're set up, you can access your Galaxy phone right from your PC. Click on Notifications to view and manage your phone notifications. The first time you do this, you'll need to tap the Open Settings on Phone button to allow your PC to access your notifications. Under the Messages tab, you can send and receive texts via your phone. Under the Photos tab, you can view your recent photos and drag and drop them from your phone to your Windows desktop. Apps lets you mirror your Galaxy phone's display on your PC. You can access all your mobile apps using your PC's touchpad without picking up your phone. A prompt may appear on your smartphone for approval. If it does, click Approve to allow your phone to cast to Windows. Once mirroring begins, you can access any of your mobile apps. For example, start streaming some music or a podcast on Spotify, or quickly adjust your morning alarm. Click on Calls to make phone calls and access your call history. Your phone and PC will be paired via Bluetooth, so you can take calls from your PC. If prompted, press the Connect button to establish a connection with your Galaxy smartphone. The Microsoft Your Phone app lets you quickly and wirelessly access your Galaxy phone from your PC anytime you need to.